Otter.ai versus Trint, which is better? In this video, we're comparing two of the most popular transcription services, Otter.ai and Trint, helping you decide which is better for your needs. Both platforms offer robust transcription features, but they target slightly different audiences and use cases. Let's break down the key differences in terms of features, pricing, accuracy, and usability so you can make an informed decision. Starting with Otter.ai. It's a tool designed primarily for users who need fast, accurate transcription with a focus on ease of use and collaboration. Otter's key features include real-time transcription, speaker identification, and automatic timestamps. It's especially useful for professionals in fields like journalism, education, or business, where you need a platform that can handle multiple speakers and deliver quick results. It also integrates well with other tools like Zoom, which makes it a solid choice for teams or individuals who rely heavily on video conferencing. The free plan is limited, but still offers 600 minutes of transcription each month, and its paid plans are fairly affordable, starting at $8.33 per month. On the other hand, Trint is aimed at professionals who require more advanced features, particularly when it comes to editing and producing polished transcripts. Trint offers automated transcription with high accuracy, but its standout feature is its powerful editing suite, which allows you to easily refine and timestamp transcriptions. The platform also provides a range of integrations with tools like Adobe Premiere and Final Cut Pro, making it perfect for video editors or content creators who need to work with both audio and video files. Trint's pricing starts at $48 per month, which is a bit higher than Otter, but the added features, such as the ability to export files in multiple formats, may justify the price for users with advanced needs. When it comes to accuracy, both platforms are pretty reliable, but Trint is known for offering slightly more precise transcriptions, particularly for professional quality content. Otter.ai does a great job with clear audio, but can struggle with heavy accents or background noise. For usability, Otter is simpler and easier to navigate, making it ideal for casual users or those who don't need advanced features. Trint's interface is more complex, but it gives users more control over their work. In conclusion, if you're a solo user or part of a small team looking for an affordable, straightforward transcription tool, Otter.ai is the better option. But if you're a professional content creator or editor who requires high accuracy and advanced editing tools, Trint is the clear winner.